Now I told you by using the experiment what is the two-dimensional and three-dimensional motion. Listen carefully, you will not forget forever in your life. This is a box type. This is a box having the x-axis, having the vertical y-axis, and this is a depth z-axis, the depth of the box, or thickness or depth. This is a z-axis. This is a body. When the body can be moved into the horizontal position along x-axis, right? Vertical position along y-axis. But when the body can move at the projectile motion, in this motion, as an example projectile motion, then this is known as a two-dimensional motion, where we require x and y coordinate to define the position of the body, to define the location of the body. We required x and y coordinate. This is known as a two-dimensional motion of the body. Simple example, projectile motion. Yes, you understand. Now we can move what is the three-dimensional motion? Now this is a body. When the body can move, see this, in the depth, see this, thickness along the direction of the depth of the box, along the thickness of the box, not x-axis, y-axis, but along the thickness, see, back and forth along the thickness. This is called as a z direction, motion along the z direction. This is known as a thickness or depth. This is known as a, so this is a x-axis, vertical y-axis, and this is a z-axis, the thickness of the box or depth of the box is known as a z-axis. Example, the motion of the gas molecule inside the cube. The motion of the gas molecule inside the cube is the best example along the x-axis, y-axis, and this is a z-axis. That is thickness of the box or depth of the box. See, this is a z-axis. Simple manner, yeah. So share this important and simple information to the maximum students so they understand simply what is the two and three dimensional motion of the body. Two-dimensional motion up to the body. Example, projectile motion, x-axis, vertical y-axis, and this is known as a z-axis along the depth or the thickness or depth on the body. When the body moves along the thickness or depth, z-axis. Share these. Thanks.